SOFI update here on the 25th. Get rid of these. So I'm going to make this video pretty simple. Just kind of my opinion where this is going to go. I think, and I'll tell you how I'm playing it too. And again, this is not financial advice, so you can play it however you want. And I'm not really recommending this either. This is for me personally, my portfolio. I have a large position, and this is how I choose to play it. I'm looking at this move right here, the length of this. If I clone this and put it right here, which I already did, comes down here to the low fours. This move also is A, B, C. If I clone this right here, put it right here, also the low fours. So basically, I think that I'm leaning towards a sell-off in probably IWM. My target's been 160 on IWM for a while. And so I think there's a very good chance that we come down here to the low fours. Despite how that just goes against all logic, anything like that. That's my hunch right now. And I hope I'm wrong, but I am hedging with some 721 $5 puts. And I have sold some 721 $6 and $7 calls. So that's my personal opinion of where I think this is going to go from here. This doesn't look very impulsive to me. And so I know a lot of people aren't going to like to hear that, but the good thing is that I think this move could coincide with the debt ceiling stuff. We should get an idea of what's going on within the next week or so. And I think that this move could play out probably by June OPEX. And then I'm still looking for the move up here to $8 by August. We're going to have catalysts. We're going to have student loans. We're going to have earnings. There's a bunch of different stuff that's going on right now. And I just think that after this sell-off, we should get a pretty nice run because IWM, if I'm correct about this thesis, then IWM is doing this. A, B, and there's C wave down here to 160. But then that would be the overall B wave. And so it would be A, B, C up here to 195, $200, something like that. So it would be a pretty quick move. And you can see SOFI has basically been not tick for tick, but it's pretty much follows IWM. So that's my thoughts on SOFI here. And I could be totally wrong. So the way I'm playing this, though, is I'm selling covered calls, and I'm using like probably 60 to 70% of the premium that I'm getting in to buy my puts. So I'm not just buying random puts with my actual money. I'm actually using money that I was paid for the covered calls. So it's not that big of a risk. If we go up, I will be at risk for the covered calls, but I'll be making money on my position, and my position is significantly larger than how I'm hedging. So just a quick video right now of where I think we're at. I think that this should be finished by June OPEX, and we'll know if this is correct or not. And if it's not correct, then maybe we bottomed right here, and this ends up being a expanded flat like this. And then we pull back, and then we just make our way up to $8 right away. But just looking at the length of these, I would say it is likely that this could play out. So I know a lot of people aren't going to like to hear that, but this gives you an opportunity to hedge your position just in case that were to play out. But again, not financial advice. I just wanted to make a video here midday and let you know what I am doing right now. I'll make an update as soon as we get some movement in the stock. It's been pretty choppy for this week pretty much. And so we should find out here in the next, I would say by next week we should have a direction of where this is going. So I'll leave it at that. Let me know what you think in the comments. Like, subscribe if you haven't yet for more updates. And maybe in the next update, I'll do more Elliott wave if we get some movement one way or the other. All right, have a good one.